Become a pro in the kitchen by using these simple hacks. Here's an idea for a special breakfast. Make mini pancakes by using a plastic bottle. Squeeze out the batter into a hot pan and you're done. Delicious! This way, you risk getting burned. Use the hole in the cutting board. After washing the dishes, don't put away your gloves like this. To get them to dry out faster, peg them to the tap. A plastic Ziploc bag and some olive oil are all you need to make perfect meat skewers. Save time in the kitchen. Try this hack to ensure you always have single portions of garlic ready to use. Freeze and take it out only as much as you need. Handy! Why not take advantage of cooking rice or pasta to also steam some vegetables? How often do pieces of an eggshell get into a mixing bowl and you struggle to get them back out? The trick is to wet your finger. Here's an original idea for an alternative to using a traditional knife block. Eye-catching and practical.